If you're coming to Las Vegas and looking for bottle service at the new Marquee Dayclub, then you found the right video. I'm Party Plan Brian. I book about 75 to 100 tables every single weekend out here in Las Vegas. I can almost always beat the online pricing. I can give you guys specific placement. I'm here to help. Let's go in and check this new renovation out. All right, so if you're coming to Marquee, a few things you need to know before you come into this place. You're definitely going to want to make sure you're ready for a little security check. They do kind of open up your pockets a little bit. You got to show them what's in your hands. They're not too strict anymore. They do run you through a metal detector, make sure you don't have any weapons, which is common sense. And that's about it. They're not as strict as like an Encore Beach Club or even a Live Beach Club, but they are still kind of strict. So just don't bring anything that's going to get you in trouble. Weed's still illegal here in Las Vegas at the casinos because it is a federally licensed casino, and weed is still legal federally. So it is what it is. If you're coming to Marquee and you want to get in, then you can get on the guest list. You can go on the link below. You can buy tickets on the link below. You can also buy bottle service. That's where I come in. I know all the ins and outs of this place. It's been fully remodeled this year in 2026, and it looks really good. Make sure you text me 702-883-3006. I can help you out with your reservations, tell you what's right for your group, and let you know all the ins and outs. So let's talk about the different options of this place. First off, the remodel was really well done. Okay, I do like how they did to the place. The layout itself is pretty much still the same. It's a really great layout. I always did like the grand cabanas with their own pools, and it's a nice vibe in there the way they did it. But they redid the DJ booth with a nice LED, made the DJ a little bit lower, made them less like congested back there, and it's actually really nice. And then they added new, upholstery, a bunch of new decor, some LEDs throughout the place on the poles, and it's a really good job. I think it looks a lot classier than it did. Kind of reminds me of the remodel they did it last year on Wet Republic to Palm Tree Beach Club. Just a nice redo. It looks fresh, it looks fancy, and it's well done. Okay, so as far as that goes, it's solid. Now, as far as the DJ situation goes, now they're not quite as solid. Okay, Marquee, unfortunately, doesn't really have the capacity to support the Martin Garrixes and the Fishers and the Tiëstos on a regular basis. They do have Martin Garrix coming up here next weekend for their opening weekend, but it is, a rare event that they're going to book a big DJ like that. They're doing that just to kind of get the place, talked about and whatnot. But from that point on, you're going to see Jonas Blue, you're going to see Pauly D, Dero. Those are the kind of guys that you're going to see there on a Saturday. Now, Fridays and Sundays, they just kind of go with maybe like a really mid or low level person that's kind of like, it is what it is. They do pretty good just by getting people in from the Cosmo there. It's a lot of traffic in that hotel. It's a big hotel. And, Fridays and Sundays are going to be super competitive this year. So we'll have to see how things kind of shake out. You can always text me. I can tell you what's good on a Friday, what's good on a Saturday, what's good on a Sunday here. I'm going to know. I'm going to be out every weekend, and I can see what's going on. All right. Now let's talk about the bottle service at this place. Now, if you're coming here and you want to go to this place, it is open 7 days a week, which is pretty awesome. I think in the beginning of the season, I think they're going to be like 5 days a week, but then they go to 7 days a week. And if you wanted to get one of those like grand cabanas with their own pool in front of them, those are really awesome, and they're not that expensive like Sunday through even Friday. Fridays are a little bit more, but Sunday through Thursday, they're actually very reasonably priced. So if you want to have your own little party up there, good place to do that. Okay. Now let's talk about those cabanas. Those are called the grand cabanas. And when you walk in to the left, there's going to be 8 of those. Okay. There's 7 that actually have the pools right in front of them and face the pool deck. And then there's one on the end. I believe it's 24. 24 has the pool on the side. Now, some people are like, oh, I don't want that one on the end with the pool on the side. There's some customers that really like that pool, okay? You got a little privacy back there, and you kind of have your little party. Nobody really bugs you back there. Nobody can see you back there. So just keep that in mind if you want a little more private party. Maybe that 24 Grand Cabana is pretty good. But the pools are all still the same. Those are arguably the best Grand Cabanas in all of Las Vegas, and there's 8 of them with your own pool. No place else really has your own pool aside from Live Beach. I got a few beach villas, 6 beach villas with their own pools, but there's not too many places in Vegas that even have that kind of setup. So those are awesome. I book them all the time for my big customers that like the privacy. All right. So now that's the Grand Cabanas. And then if you go across the way, there's going to be, I think there's 6 prime cabanas in the middle. Those are going to be really nice cabanas as well, but they don't have the pools in front of them. And then I think there's actually 9 regular cabanas. Those are going to be ones that flank the prime cabanas on both ends. Okay. So the prime cabana just means you're closer to the center, closer to the pool, basically the ones kind of next to the main center pool. And then the regular cabanas are the ones next to that. Okay. And that's the difference between the prime and the regular cabana. Now, the next level down from there, that's going to be what's called your prime day beds. Okay. There's going to be, on most days, the prime day beds are the ones closest to the DJ, and then also the ones that flank the main pool. Those are going to be what's considered your prime day beds, okay? I get a lot of requests for those. If you want a specific table, like say you want this table on this pool, generally you have to tip for that. So let me know on that. I can make it happen. Usually I just send in a request. We're going to tip. We want this table. It happens, okay? So that's how that works. And then behind the prime day beds, on the main day bed row, if you will, that's going to be your regular day beds. And then behind the secondary bar, which is the bar on the right when you walk in, there's going to be a bunch of tables back there. Those are also going to be called your day beds. And then in a smaller pool, which is kind of right next to the DJ booth area, there's some wet day beds. There's 8 of those in the waterfall pool. And sometimes they sell some of those, the closer ones to the center as primes, and then they sell the other ones as just regular day beds, okay? So that's it. That's going to be like all your table options. You basically have the grand cabanas, the prime cabanas, the regular cabanas, the prime day beds, and the regular day beds. And that's it. That's all your options. Now, there are some tables also behind the DJ. They kind of use that for the DJ crew and a bunch of pretty girls. And then there's a couple of day beds back there as well that are considered prime day beds that are right there behind the DJ booth. A lot of action there by the bar. So if you wanted those two, I can request it. So that's Marquee Dayclub in a nutshell. If you're interested in doing something like a brunch before with an open bar, limos there and back, or you want to do like a top or atomic golf after this, you want to combine this place with a nightclub later in the day, strip club, men's show. We have all sorts of cool packages. Make sure you download the Party Plan app below. Check out all the stuff we have. And also, if you guys are interested in show tickets, hotels, bottle service on our app, we can do it all. The Party Plan tool is also fantastic if you're coming to Las Vegas or you're traveling anywhere, whether it be U.S. or abroad. You can put your whole group itinerary in there. You can keep track of all your expenses. You can communicate with your group. It's a totally free tool. You can use it for anywhere you want to travel. And we set that up just for you guys. So make sure you check that out. Download the Party Plan app. If you do like my content, I would appreciate a like on the video. Do subscribe to this channel for more. Bang that notifications bell. I'm Brian Pfeiffer. I'm looking forward to mapping out your Las Vegas game plan, and follow me for everything in Las Vegas.